yesterday it started raining and snowing out of nowhere. I got caught in a storm and I'm already so sick the next day. Oh my God. I can hardly catch my breath. Oh my God. Between the coughing and sneezing, I can hardly catch my breath. My nose is so stuffed up, it just cannot stop tickling. Oh my God. The storm that I got caught in yesterday was so cold and so blustery that I just immediately got sick. Oh my God. I just feel like I have so much mucus and phlegm caught in my nose. It's like making my ears pop, how much I'm sneezing and blowing my nose. Like every time I sneeze, my ears pop. That's how sick I am right now. I'm so congested in my nose. Every time I sneeze. Every time I sneeze, I just hope that's gonna clear my nose a little bit. Do you hear this? Do you hear this? One nostril partially blocked. The other nostril completely blocked. I can barely breathe. Every time I sneeze, I'm just hoping that it's going to clear a little bit of my nasal cavity. And every time, I get no satisfaction. I just sneeze and sneeze without relief. I just can't keep sneezing if it's not going to give me any relief. For some reason, it's making me yawn when I make myself not sneeze. It's not satisfying either. I just want some decongestion. There's no satisfaction, man, I'm telling you. Just want to sneeze and have all of this be cleared out of my nose. When I got caught in a storm, I thought it was just gonna be a few moments. I thought there's no way that I can get sick. My hair was dry. I ran pretty quickly. But even though I was only in the storm for a few minutes, I instantly got so sick. This is only day 1, and I can already tell I'm barely feeling the side effects. What can I do to get this congestion cleared out of my face? Every single time I sneeze, it starts a coughing fit. My chest, my nose, the phlegm. I can't get away from it. It's everywhere. So much nasty phlegm and spit because I got caught in that stupid fucking storm. Oh my God. I'm so sick. I should have never gotten caught in that storm.